Welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to log out from your Discord on Android. Here I am using Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is supposed to be similar if you are using Android devices. Let's get it on. How to log out: you just click on your profile. Here it's written you just click on that and then click on the gear setting here. Just click on that and you scroll down, you scroll until you can find this log out option. After you log out from your Discord, you have to log in again to another account, or you can use the Google login, and it's up to you. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, and if you think this content is really helpful, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. See you on the next video. See you guys, bye bye.